Are you showing support by wearing red this week? As per Resolution number 1775, adopted in 2012 by the 29th Legislature, February 3rd of each year is designated as Wear Red Day in the Virgin Islands.
The national organization that started this about 10 years ago is the American Heart Association. And so we take a page out of what they're doing. We support what the American Heart Association does nationally. I don't believe there's a very active chapter here in the Virgin Islands, but that doesn't matter. What we need to do is we need to do the things that bring awareness to the things that matter to us and the things that enable us to actually work and be productive citizens.
The resolution, sponsored by Senator Jeanette Millen Young and former Senator Sean Michael Malone, calls for the territory to join together to wear red in remembrance of those who have lost the battle to heart disease, those who are continuing to fight it, and those who have won the battle.
Well, I was happy to prime sponsor the legislation, and I was joined by Senator Malone as a prime sponsor, and also former Senator Patrick Sproul was a prime sponsor, but everyone voted for it because men and women recognize the importance of women's health. Once again, as I stated earlier, women are the leaders of most of the households in the Virgin Islands, so we need to make sure to do the things to ensure that our people are healthy, and especially our women.
The community would be pleased to know that the members and staff of the 31st Legislature support the effort of raising awareness about heart disease as we came together today in both districts wearing red.
Well, I'm really excited to be celebrating Wear Red Day in the Virgin Islands with the staff of the legislature, with my staff, and the public in the Virgin Islands who recognize that February 3rd is Wear Red Day in the Virgin Islands. Of course, there is the National Wear Red Day, which is celebrated throughout the United States, and this year in particular, it is being celebrated on February 6th. But we really had fun doing this. We all dressed up in red. We talked about family and friends and the persons that we know who have been afflicted with heart disease. In fact, Wear Red Day is to bring awareness about women who either have died from heart disease, are suffering from heart disease, and we celebrate those who have beat the disease. Talking about it raises awareness. It is something that actually leads you to want to go to the doctor to take care of things if something is not right. Remember that most of the households in the U.S. Virgin Islands are led by women. So if you're not taking care of your heart, if you're not taking care of your overall health, that might mean that less income for your homes, and that means your families will also be affected. So I'm encouraging all women today, February 3rd, and every day of the year to please take care of your hearts, take care of your health, and again, happy Wear Red Day.
Join us in raising awareness about heart disease. Wear red on National Red Day, Friday, February 6th.